Okay, so the parts laid out here for issue 96 of the Spitfire. Yeah, it's the tail paint parts. Got a couple, some detailed parts on the sprue. Yeah, some very nice die-cast metal, obviously. There's some nicely detailed parts, nicely painted. But yeah, just going to be getting this fitted onto the model. So this will be the build for issue 96. Okay, so first thing we're doing is replacing some screws. Apparently, yeah, these are pan head ones, and these ones up here, they need replacing with some countersunk ones that you get given in this issue. So best idea, as it says, take one out at a time. So remove that and fit a countersunk head. So obviously, okay, yep, they're replaced. Okay, now we need the right hand side one. They are marked. See that? If you can see that, but yeah, that's got an R on it. So the right, it's obviously only going to fit one way as well. So that goes through this side. Okay. Need a cross countersunk screw to go in this one up top here. Hold it in place to start with. Cross countersunk one down there, and then there's a pan head one through the hole there. That one isn't going in at all. No, it kind of goes in, but doesn't go in, if you know what I mean. Goes in, but then doesn't. It's not biting. Okay, that's coming off. I'm going to have to level that. See what the problem is. It doesn't want to bite at all. It's not very good, that. I'll look for a better screw. Okay, I've got a slightly longer screw. I'm not too sure if it's going to work. I'm going to try it. That's better. I think it was a 6mm screw that went in the end. 4mm screw wasn't biting very good, so replace that screw. Okay, now just removing this from the sprue. Okay, so this little part kind of goes in there. I think I'm just going to push it in. This just kind of gets pushed on. I'm just going to check fit it, and then apparently you just super glue it in place. Okay, check fitted it. It kind of goes up. So now a bit of super glue into that. Okay, then a countersunk screw just goes in the jack here, just here. Take this part off of the sprue, put the cover panel over, and there we go. Doesn't suggest super gluing that at this point, but maybe later when everything's tested, ready to go. But there we go, that's the tailplane on. Okay, so that was issue 96 done there. Yet the tailplane on, too difficult to go on actually. That was okay. 97 is more parts for the tailplane. Oh yeah, so we're going to be getting the elevators kind of fitted on. Yeah, so that's going to be quite an in-depth issue. Getting there now, aren't we? This is pretty much, it's starting to look properly like a Spitfire. That'll be issue 97, that'll be coming up soon, so keep an eye out for that. Okay, so thank you very much for watching my presentation of this issue of Build a Spitfire Mk1A by Hachette PartWorks. And if you'd like to see the progression of this model or any of the other models on the channel, because I've got the Ecto one and the Ferrari F40 going on at the moment, then you can always consider subscribing. And if you enjoyed this video, then give us a thumbs up or pop any comments in the comments box. I always get back to those. But hey, until next time, thank you very much for watching. Hope to catch you again on the channel soon. Take care and ta-da for now.